Fresh updates are rolling out as Festool pushes hard into cordless convenience, smoother tool compatibility, and features that actually make jobs easier. This lineup highlights how much the brand is investing in cleaner setups, quicker changes, and more freedom on the job site. Let's dive into what is new. Plenty of grab-and-go convenience comes from this tabletop Systainer, giving you a strong work surface without adding bulk. This setup offers 13 clamping points to secure all kinds of pieces and uses an integrated V-groove to steady round materials, such as pipes or dowels. Its compact frame still holds up to 110 pounds, and the top includes a non-slip strip that keeps everything steady while you work. The base connects smoothly with T-lock and classic Systainers, keeping your system organized from one task to the next. Anyone working in tight shops or moving between jobs will appreciate how the tabletop Systainer mixes workspace, storage, and clamping options in one durable package. Woodworkers will appreciate how the CMS router table brings a new level of control to routing work, giving every pass a smoother and more predictable feel. Its sliding table moves effortlessly and offers table saw-like accuracy for guided cuts, while dual-zone dust collection above and below the bit keeps your view clear and the workspace cleaner. A bearing-guided arm adds confidence when following patterns, and reduced vibration makes each cut feel steadier and more comfortable. The compact size still delivers serious capability, turning the CMS router table into a reliable option for anyone chasing repeatable precision and cleaner results. Nothing feels better than a saw that stays steady and predictable, and that is exactly what the TSC 55 track saw brings to the table. This model uses an adjustable kickback stop to reduce the chance of blade rebound and keep cuts smooth and controlled. Concentrated torque increases cutting speed and helps the blade last longer, which makes the whole setup more efficient over time. Strong dust collection through the onboard bag or a Bluetooth-connected extractor keeps your view clear and the workspace cleaner. Anyone moving between job sites or working in a shop will find the TSC 55 track saw delivers reliable precision, solid safety, and clean results. Solid grip becomes much easier once the clamping set joins your workspace, giving projects the stability they need without slowing you down. This setup works seamlessly with Festool MFT tables and other perforated systems, offering 2 ratcheting quick clamps that lock materials in place fast. The included clamping elements use wide, soft faces to protect surfaces from marks, while adjustable fences and surface dogs let you position pieces in whatever way the job requires. Everything packs into a tough Systainer that makes storage and transport simple. Anyone aiming for steady cuts, clean sanding, or controlled assembly will appreciate how the clamping set keeps materials firmly in place from start to finish. Bright, even lighting becomes a whole lot easier with the Syslite KAL 100 Worklamp, giving you clear visibility no matter where you set up. Its 170-degree beam spreads light smoothly across wide areas, powered by 6 high-efficiency LEDs that can run for up to 4 hours on the internal battery. You can also hook it to wall power, a car charger, or a Festool battery when you need longer sessions. The rugged housing and tough LEDs make it reliable for rough job sites, while the lightweight build keeps it easy to carry around. From tight indoor corners to late outdoor tasks, the Syslite KAL 100 Worklamp delivers steady illumination that helps you stay focused. Joinery gets a serious upgrade once Festool Domino Tenons enter the mix, bringing strength and alignment that typical dowels and biscuits just can't match. Their oblong shape creates a larger glue surface and a tighter, more reliable fit, giving everything from delicate furniture to sturdy frames a stronger foundation. These tenons come in multiple sizes, and each one uses precision-milled ribs that spread glue evenly to avoid weak spots and boost long-term durability. When paired with the DF500 or DF700 system, Festool Domino Tenons turn traditional joinery into a faster, more accurate, and rock-solid process. Small size doesn't mean sacrificing performance with the SYS-Rock Jobsite radio, delivering surprisingly powerful sound from its 6-inch speaker. Festool's dynamic sound processor gives clear highs and deep bass, while FM radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calling, and aux-in keep all your audio options covered. The rugged housing and lightweight frame let it move effortlessly from workshop to job site, making the SYS-Rock more than just music. It keeps energy and productivity high wherever you are.
For even more versatility, Festool introduces the MFKC 700 Cordless Modular Edge Router, which takes routing to a whole new level. What sets it apart is its modular base system. You can quickly switch between different router tables and attachments without tools, making it incredibly flexible for tasks like rebating, grooving, and profiling. It shares the same precision depth adjustment system as the OFKC 500, but with more power and capacity for bigger tasks. Thanks to its ergonomic design, it stays comfortable during extended use, and of course, it connects directly to the Festool's dust extractors for clean operation. This router is ideal for anyone who needs one tool that can handle multiple edge routing applications while still staying lightweight and portable. It fits perfectly between the precision of the OFKC 500 and the specialized work of the MFKC 700 KA. And if your work involves edge banding, the MFKC 700 KA is the dedicated tool you'll want at your side. Designed to pair with Festool's Conturo KA65, this cordless module edge router is optimized for trimming and finishing edge bands with professional results. It comes with a raised support base that makes it easier to handle overhanging edges, while a chip catcher ensures clean operation even during heavy trimming. The router is capable of handling both straight and beveled edges up to 45 degrees, giving you the freedom to create flawless furniture pieces without tedious hand finishing. When used together with the rest of Festool's routing lineup, the MFKC 700 KA completes the circle, delivering professional-level finishes that are ready for showcase. Of course, all of these tools are only as enjoyable as the workspace they leave behind, and that's where the Festool CT MIDI Axle Mobile Dust Extractor shines. Compact, yet powerful, this extractor is built with a 1200-watt motor and an impressive suction capacity of 3,700 liters per minute. What makes it even better is the automatic filter cleaning system, AutoClean, which ensures suction performance stays consistent even during long sanding or routing sessions. With Bluetooth compatibility, you can control the extractor wirelessly from your cordless tools, and its compact design makes it easy to transport between the workshop and the job site. It's the final piece of the puzzle in Festool's cordless ecosystem, keeping your space clean, your tools performing at their best, and your health protected while you work. Well, we can't overlook the Festool ExoActive Exoskeleton, which isn't a power tool in a traditional sense, but a wearable assist device designed to reduce strain during overhead work. Whether you're sanding ceilings, installing panels, or painting, the ExoActive actively supports your arms and shoulders, significantly lowering fatigue and protecting your body during repetitive overhead tasks. It's lightweight, adjustable, and built to move naturally with you, making it comfortable enough to wear for extended periods. While the tools handle the precision, this exoskeleton handles your endurance, helping you work longer without the aches and pains that usually come with demanding jobs. Rounding things out is the Festool ETSC 125 and 150 cordless eccentric sanders, designed for finishing surfaces with the same freedom and mobility as the rest of the cordless lineup. Both models are compact, ergonomically designed, and powered by the 18-volt battery platform. They deliver fine, swirl-free finishes and have variable speed control to adapt to different surfaces. With a compact form factor, they fit comfortably in one hand, making them perfect for edges, corners, or flat surfaces. And since they integrate with Festool's dust extractors, you can achieve a flawless surface without the mess. After planing, joining, routing, and edge banding, these sanders provide the perfect finishing touch, bringing the whole workflow full circle.
That wraps up all the new Festool tools we wanted to show you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Give the video a like, leave a comment, and share it with friends if you found it useful. Hit subscribe to catch more videos like this on your feed.